Let's face it, when you hear zero waste living, you might think expensive, impossible, or just too much effort. Sound familiar? Well, today we're busting the top myths about zero waste living and showing you what actually works no matter where you are in your journey. I don't think people understand zero waste living. Sure, those trendy zero waste gadgets can be pricey, but guess what? The zero waste lifestyle isn't about buying more, it's about buying smarter. Bulk shopping and reusing containers can actually save you money. Zero waste fact, the average household saves $1.365 a year by reducing waste, plus, you're cutting out unnecessary packaging. Win-win. We get it, life's hectic, but zero waste doesn't mean a total lifestyle overhaul. Start small. Swap cling film for beeswax wraps or compost your coffee grounds. Time-saving zero waste hacks. Meal prep to avoid waste, keep reusable bags in your car, and try a community swap event. These tiny steps take no extra time but make a big difference. Let's debunk this right now. Zero waste doesn't mean zero trash. It's about progress, not perfection. Focus on reducing your impact, not on fitting all your waste into a mason jar. Did you know recycling is actually the last step in zero waste? It's about refusing, reducing, reusing, and composting first. Recycling's great, but we need to consume less to start with. Did you know? Only 9% of plastic ever produced has been recycled. Who says it's hard? A few easy swaps like carrying a reusable coffee cup or ditching single-use straws can save hundreds of disposable items over time. Convenience doesn't have to cost the earth. Start small. Choose one habit to change this week, like switching to a reusable water bottle. See, zero waste living isn't as intimidating as it sounds. It's about small, practical steps anyone can take. If this resonated with you, hit that subscribe button and join our growing zero waste community. Together, we can make sustainable living easy, accessible, and most importantly, impactful. Let's make the change one step at a time. What's one zero waste myth you used to believe? Drop it in the comments. We'd love to hear your thoughts and stories.